I think it's amazing. It's just such a combination of uplifting and changes and twists, and the ending, oh, that really got me. No, see it, it's wonderful.
Really enjoyable, a great talent, but we're thrilled we've come from Australia and had a great time.
I thought it was utterly engaging actually. The storytelling through song was magic, and his voice just kept going and kept us engaged for the whole time. Couldn't take my eyes off him.